What's up, you guys? I know you've all been waiting for a little update video, so we're gonna go ahead and dish it out right now. First thing, as soon as we got it started, it sounded like a rotary for some reason, so insert the clip here. I'll insert the clip. Yeah, so it started out sounding like a rotary, but because I didn't feel that it was safe to run a lower compression compared to the stock, I went ahead and switched to an EcoTech. That's crazy, huh? Remember when we made that video, OFT versus EcoTech? Yeah, I switched over to an EcoTech. So anybody out there, I think EcoTech might be the wave if you're looking for more customization as well as safety, because I'm not a professional tuner, so I left it up to them to go ahead and make my car run safe. Anyways, so I'm tuning with Zach at Counterspace Garage. Shout out Zach. He's helping me with the whole tuning process. I got rid of the whole problem with it sounding like a rotary, but the next issue I want to talk about is that I now have I'm dyslexic. I have smoke coming out of my exhaust. There's a lot of built up carbon in my exhaust now, so I don't know exactly what the case is. If you guys know or have an idea, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I believe that it's because I set my piston ring gap to a turbo spec, so I think there's a lot of blow by, which is causing a lot of oil to get inside of them cylinders.
What?
But yeah, that's an issue. So of course, when you build your own engine and you're not a true mechanic and you haven't done this before, obviously problems are going to arise. So that's one flaw, and that's just how the game works, again, with working on your own car.
So what's the case of how to fix the piston ring gap?
Buying a turbo. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Should I buy a turbo just to fix this problem? Maybe it'll go away, maybe it won't. I don't know.
Okay, the turbo's not to just fix the problem. For a fucking turbo.
I mean, and I get a sweet turbo with it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it would be so sweet to have a turbo, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. So diving a little bit deeper into the whole process of building it, I would say if your engine blows up for whatever reason, if you have rod knock or whatever, anything super severe, mine was just a rod bearing that happened to spin and misalign. But if you basically want to learn about your engine and know everything, how it works, and you're super interested, I would recommend totally going ahead and going through the process of doing it. It was super tedious and hard, and at times, I know Andrew knows, Matt knows, but I wanted to.
He's all like, dude, I'm fucking sick of this shit, dude. I just want this shit to be done. I'm so fucking shit. I don't even care. Over and over.
Yeah, there was a lot of challenge along the way, and I wanted to quit. I didn't want to do it, and like I feel like I should have just taken it to a shop. But in the end, it just feels so good knowing that I built this basically. But yeah, if you're gonna go ahead and do that, I would totally recommend it. If you're scared, I know I definitely had my doubts, but obviously do whatever you think is best, because you're gonna have to spend a lot of money. Yeah. What you doing over there?
He's jacking off this car.
I saw him turn around like,
yeah, cool.
He's getting some nice cinematics.
Cam shots, back shots, what?
But yeah, so that's some updates. Is there anything else I did in my car I'm forgetting?
You didn't mention the fuel leak and coolant leak that you got.
Oh yeah, so basically when we're putting together the engine, this might happen with you guys, obviously. I mean, shit happens, but I forgot to put O-rings on the coolant overpass somehow, so that's why it was leaking. The fuel leak was super minor compared to the coolant leak, but as soon as I fixed the coolant leak, it was much more pronounced? Is that the right word? Pronounced? Does that make sense?
What are you trying to say?
Pronounced? Anyways, you know what I mean. Andrew's shaking his head no, but I know you guys know what I mean. But yeah, I gotta fix that. It's probably just the injector O-rings have gone bad or whatever. Flip the injectors so that the little clips are easier to get to. I didn't know you could do that, but so yeah, that's a little update. Car's running somewhat fine, you know, but the moral of the story, if you guys have an interest in cars and want to go ahead and rebuild your engine because it's messed up, I would say go ahead and do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it, bruh. Yeah, that's just gonna wrap up this video. Super just a quick update. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on with the car. Hopefully we get some more mods in here soon. I don't know, turbo. As of now, the car runs decent. It could definitely be a lot better, but I'm very happy that it's running again. I'm sure you guys are too. Yeah.
You want to see the white smoke come out of his car?
Yeah. Let's go.
Here's the white smoke.
This car is about to blow up like any second.
This is the movement in the clutch. That's all the way in.
Dude,
that's all the way out. That's all the way in. That's all the way out.
It's so short, but it feels nice. That's what she said.